Cargo backups at the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach are accelerating talk of the importance of a 24/7 supply chain operation, a complex transition that would require buy-in from numerous sectors across the nation. And none of that would be easy. One leading industry official compared the task to solving world hunger. Most recently, containers have seen an uptick in how long they wait for rail pickup, known as dwell time, amid a current cargo surge, further underscoring the need for a solution. Given everything we've experienced in the last 12 months, said Noel Hasegaba, Deputy Executive Director of Administration and Operations for the Port of Long Beach, it's time we take a serious look at what it will take to transition to a 24/7 supply chain. Port of Long Beach Executive Director Mario Cordero has been talking about a 24/7 transition for some time now, and he's not the only one. The issue has been pushed to the forefront as the twin ports have seen an unprecedented onslaught of cargo arriving on their shores since last summer. The coronavirus pandemic and subsequent shutdowns initially caused a drastic drop in cargo numbers beginning last March. But then imports rebounded in the summer, with an online buying spree, from people who could no longer travel or spend money on entertainment, fueling an historic surge that has left ships anchored for days outside the ports, and all the way to South Orange County, waiting to get in to unload. In 2020, we went from doom and gloom to fast and furious, all on the turn of a dime, Hasegaba said. We had steep declines in early 2020 followed by a tsunami of cargo. Both ports have been scrambling to keep up and, eventually, get ahead of the flow, which is expected to continue into the summer, or, perhaps, longer. Terminal dwell time for cargo waiting for pickup on port property overall is improving, but rail pickup times are still going up. About a third of the cargo arriving in local ports is picked up by rail to be delivered to farther reaches of the U.S. The combination of rapid ship calls and a shortage of rail cars in the West, in part due to inclement weather throughout the nation, spiked rail dwell time up to more than 10 days on average in March, according to statistics released by the Pacific Merchant Shipping Association, which represents West Coast terminal operators and shipping lines. That's 2 days higher than the averages reported in February. While overall dwell times are dropping in the Port of Los Angeles, Executive Director Gene Soroka said this month that the breakout rail dwell time of nearly 11 days in March stands out as a piece of the puzzle that needs to be addressed. That's extremely high for us, Soroka said. Rail dwell time was about 8 days in January and 8.6 days in February, Soroka said.